You Stella no you wa monochrome community center the Akuapem North constituency elections and ekoso ye hia ye nuaberema Max Dakwa ye misan umusha o campaign for na wo hwe to niam na eya bizanse na da adwumadi no eteden na ekoden ne expectation tiden agora bia boko
nyame ado bia boko
all in all adwumadi ne ya gazo bontofa den na betuma ka chen
I'm saying adwumadi no adwumadi bia emu ada wo fine bibia akototin on say MPP no a party we believe in democracy is not to me here without election the election so everything was successful, peaceful and transparency bibia mu da wo clear.
What do you think should be a delegate behwe and so akaso to aba e dia modi?
Yeah, the factors are many, but to say few or to me my observation or my understanding of the game, is how you live with the people. As a constituency executive or a newcomer, your relation with the people, how you live with the people. You understand? No transform if say delegate in here or police station executive in here clarification or if no onfa ebia one-on-one how on any bekasa no ebia nso nani. These are some of the petty things that delegate now said and edit to aba. For the monetary aspect, you can't take it out. Obi abeko aprobo kwakoton nsem ne ade. Definitely no untum fa major for yen kwa. Until one transform sorrow bibi. But aside that no, they also factor your human relation and how hardworking, dedicated you are to the party. So just giving you a few, you're hardworking, you're dedicated to the party, and how transparency you are and your human relation.
The NDC are hell bent on taking and as America is replicating what happened in the Akuapem South this coming election. As Obi aware frontliner, ewo MPP mu, ewo constituency mu. How prepared do you think the party is to face NDC? Yeah, one bear party in power.
Yeah, you see, in the election, I did see once in Tansibio. Peter, how do you call it? Peter Ameu won for Huawei or something. It's just once in CBO. But that does not necessarily mean say so much MPP traditional CTBR they can't maintain it. They can't. It's two things. It's based on how we structure our party from the grassroots and reconciliation year by year. These are the two factors. United, 2024 election, you lost the 2024 election from 2020. Because 2024 apathy the brain happen here. You understand? Maybe to conk up party anywhere bank Asante region Kumasi. Man I announce the apathy not set. The election time now thought say onyama bit madane. Until the outcome of the result as leading to higher apathy, I wasn't surprised. But this time around, what do you have to do? The only thing that you have to do is say this is a human institution. When you but we be two be now so be two. After that, say, oh, say, oh, we are sorry. You're the top man. Forgive and forget. Then we come together. If the MPP because you can't boom as one strong united party, there's no way MPP to end this to my over come here. Because Omega says so much election, yeah, it's true. But this 2024 election, I'm telling you, Romunia that massive victory, as a result of apathy on the part of what the MPP. And you see, Ghanaians also have one thing is that at the end of every 8-year cycle, you change the government. So the MPP government did very well in the era of COVID. A pandemic, and you know the consequence of pandemic is not an endemic or epidemic, but rather pandemic, and we all know it. But still, they were able to sustain us. You understand? And with all this, we can't say the MPP party didn't do well. We did very well, but as I've said, so this time around, what I would tell the party faithful, party leaders, and constituency leaders, from chairman to the last person, I'm telling them, say, one for United Embra, polling station election, coordinators election. When you and Chaba, fine, I could be doing when you and Chaba. Around from here, no, you come near one. United need you beat wedding. Then Akuapem South. I'm not a prophet, but I give Kakram in my bone. I want to throw this challenge to the NDZ to forget Akuapem South Seat. Akuapem South Seat is coming back home, and they shouldn't dare dream about Akuapem North. That one they lie. They shouldn't. And even Akuapem South is coming back, no matter what. That's what I have for them.
Last question, I maybe South. Now, I'm for how are you? Do you think that what do you say will be to my contestation?
Oh, MPP wants a party here. We believe in democracy.
And yet democracy.
So you can't do democracy without election. And Sami doesn't fear election. Looking at the rank in our home, if the party in the beginning would say or no so or a guy man, that's a bit me about Kunibia. Yeah, you shouldn't cut them watching to so ampa. Oh, songs are about to contest now. Why not? Sami will not prevent anybody. In the end, but who's the only supreme of the Concordia as a wow as a more.
Yo, that. Yo, son, I didn't do come here. That's who my delegates maybe. And I know where shower higher baby sawang. And I know feeling it today, MPP. As a delegate, then Obe catch MPP for 1 year delegates because one will be elected leaders. Now my mommy in Bajo Biaboko.
I'm here to be Biaboko.
Bajo my Odi.
Maybe I jump Pedro.
I jump Pedro Bajo police station now.
You go to police station or a Methodist church.
Okay. And I move higher mapa delegates and I'm to Aba and I'll bet to Aba. Yamizana about to Aba. But then I was share. Then I was share. Then I walk Kumasu say, Obesha 1 year, Opesa, and let the elections no we know.
Yo, make Kumasu, I didn't say, Chairman of Bebano, Obekayanga boom. Now, Obema, a Jumano, or the Bema, Obia to say Jumano, your better for your meetings. Then the next year, now what church and Jumano, so near Sianga Buano at 2028 in a Jumano. Glass through the Jumani and the Nancy or beer, or Babua young, Robert Messifem, Naya seats. So only find the election and this
area tells say what way your friend that coming election here bay. Seats in much money betting your pair or numbers and will be Jeff Museum, son of Wayanafa. And then the delegates are Mobano, a Yesikana Moshe, and I say, money that be so.
Yo, and this year some more can and Yano quarry. It's a mistake na uncle to a banner wodino. Afi 2028 in Yan sa Yabaka to a boom. Yabefia to a bo aba na yenya yen vote MPC Nara Yabesanga a young seat, you know. It is so big can say young Ayaka and boom. MPP who mistake. And and since I am mistake, yes, I am. It's a free 2028 today. The BJ seats. Yenina, Becca, and Wenina, Bepu, boom, boom. I got to a banner, Yajayan seats. Into your because say, and yet, a muscle MPP. Young Annie, or NBC today, and a matter.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Yeah, yeah, woman, yes, I can delegate back home. I was high and corny and in New Co. I grab Yaboko. Oh, you're not to be Yaboko. But your police station, Eva. To Presby 2. To Presby 2. Another you may be all in all. Then now, back catch the MP people. Oh, the other catch every people say, here, Onipa, Odibuna Fata, Robert Bayer, Juman. Now, an elections, he find him a partner position and our interest power. Oh, position Molina, more interest will need him. Akuapem na bet na kasa had de menu chiampa. Oh, look at them. Nina military name. We are sure. Le kwapa. Le kwapa ka tire o. Yo, enti and MPP for 1 year delegates. What Ghana me na riaza fene that's no ka tire. Oh, say ya asari ya ba de krabi. One no to ma de one ka sai. Se ko to abapa. Abaya ba ka tire o. Dia ba so abapa dia beto. Yo, yeah that's it. Yo.